Okay, now we are going to start about discuss how will we add references in the Mendeley. I will show you two different process, very easier to use Mendeley desktop. At first we will add file which already saved in my computer, PDF files. We can directly add PDF file from my computer, from your computer, downloaded files. We can select the downloaded research paper and directly open, and it will upload it in the Mendeley. You can show that there is a list of authors, titles, and a year of publishing, and the journal name and time also available here. So this already automatically added uh, after uploading the after that. We can also install, we have also already installed Mendeley web importer, and so we can also add file from directly website, so we don't need to download them PDF as PDF file. At first we are going to website and search any research paper. I am going to search about non-coding iron in cancer. Okay, I found several websites here, and just I can select a website, long non-coding iron in cancer implications for. Okay, I can select this one. I will insert this reference from NCBI in Mendeley without downloading PDF. Okay, so click on Mendeley web importer. Just after clicking that, we can see that Mendeley have access on this page, and how many we will be able to see the all the research paper and their journal name, authors here. So we will be able to select the our expected papers title for Mendeley. Okay, you can see that this paper, long non-coding iron and cancer, available here. So you can also select one, because we can also select all, or we can select the specific one. So just I need some 2 or 3 paper which is important for me. Okay, I can select potential this one. I can also select long non-coding RNA variation in cancer, this molecular mechanism of long non-coding RNAs. Okay, you can also see the PDF file by Mendeley. So it is great tool, I think. Now just simply click on add to Mendeley. All the references I marked will be added automatically in the Mendeley. We do not need to download it from website, because sometimes we are unable to most of the downloaded papers due to limitations. Okay, it's automatically adding here in Mendeley. After that we will open Mendeley desktop to see how this whether this reference is added or not. Okay, I think there this reference is not already added here, so we need to refresh. Because I not find the 3 reference already I marked. So after refreshing, I will be able that this references added in Mendeley desktop, they are uploading automatically. Okay, now it is time to work on these references in our assignment or research papers or thesis. So for this we go to Microsoft Word to open and to work on it. Okay, suppose I am going to work on Microsoft Word for my assignment, so I need to show reference. Before that, suppose I have copied information from one of my paper, and I am going to cite this on this paper on my assignment or thesis. So I just select it. It is just a sample to show you. I just select a topic, copied it, and paste in my Word, MS Word. After that, I will add references, a reference based on from my from Mendeley here in this line. Okay, so go to reference tool, click on insert citation. Here I will add this reference, Dylan Bud. I will add him as a reference because I used his paper, information from his paper. So go to insert citation and search by the name of writer or by the name of research paper. So I can see that here it is available, non-suspended mRNA decay by this author, and just simply click on OK. It will automatically add it as reference. So similar way we can also add some other references also from other writers. This is another line I am going to cite from another writer. Suppose I have collected that information from this one, molecular mechanism of long distance long non-coding RNA. So by searching by the name of article molecular mechanism, we can find that this article available here. Okay, I have completed citation, these two citation. So you can add the list of citation, complete citation as bibliography, because we already inserted two citation, and we can also change the citation style. Any citation style we can select, as we can select IEEE, automatically citation style will be changed. We can also use American Psychological Association 7th style, so automatically reference will be formatted. So it is a great tool, it will save our time, and it also if you want to insert bibliography easily, just click on bibliography and automatically it will show the list of references you added here in the last part of the references. After that, if you you can also change the reference style by clicking just style option. I think it is a very great tool for us to use in our assignment, our presentation, and our research paper, and it's completely free.